Step into the 2017 Ram 2500. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 90,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and voice-activated navigation. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call